guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded any content here on YouTube, and for now, I'm gonna try to do something that I've been doing this entire quarantine. So I'm gonna be cooking for you, and today I'm gonna be using the Filipina. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna be cooking Aligue Pasta. It's gonna be an easy one, easy peasy, and I'm gonna be using Fusilli by La Filipina. Thank you so much again, La Filipina, for this wonderful pasta. I'm such a huge fan of pasta. It's very easy to do, so come on, let's try it. Prepare water with 2 tablespoons of oil and some salt for your pasta. Put the La Filipina Fusilli pasta in the boiling water and wait for 8 minutes for it to be al dente. For the sauce, we have the aligue paste, lemon, cheddar cheese, parmesan cheese, shrimp, all-purpose cream, shrimp broth, onion and garlic, plus salt and pepper. Wow! Alright, so we're up for the sauce now, and for the sauce, it's very easy. Saute lang tayo, guys. And there's a lot of aligue paste out there. So this one was a gift for me by Crystal. Shout out, Tal, for this aligue or aligue paste that we have. So this is one of our favorites. Let's start cooking. Make sure the oil is hot. Mas mainit pa sa'yo, ganun. Tapos, mag-isa tayo. Unahin muna ang sarili, bago ang bawang, tapos ang sibuyas. Ganun! Ilagay na ang hipon, huwag yung kakilala mong hipon. More pampalasa, magic sarap. More magic, more sarap. Then, add some salt and some pepper. Pagluto ng hipon, ilagay na ang pinaka-importante, ang aligue paste. Tapos nito, lagyan naman ng shrimp broth dahil hindi pwedeng basta hipon lang, dapat masarap. Add some lemon for acidity para naman hindi puro lansalang. Ganun. Kapag kumukulo na, add the all-purpose cream para naman mas creamy, mas masaya. Aray. More paminta, more fun. Melt sarap or cheddar cheese. Pwede rin ang quick melt. Depende na yan sa trip mo. But this one, I like it better dahil hindi siya ganun kaalat. And also, mas mura ng konti ang melt sarap. Try it! And let's put on parmesan cheese para naman lalo pang mas maging cheesy and to add a little bit more saltiness na kakaiba doon sa akin. Favorite ko yan. Once melted na ang cheese, i-add na natin ang pasta. At haluin ito. Yeah! Hello! So we're about to eat the pasta with my Marcel. Sarap siya sa Coke. Coke, the Penne, yes. Right, so normally guys, you can also put some chilies or more parmesan or different kind of cheese kung gusto nyo mag-invento. So actually, hindi lang ako naglagay ng maanghang because of my mom. But it's so good also with some spices like chili powder, chili flakes also. So you should go ahead and try it. So Mars, go, let's try it. Para din na nag-go ko ito talaga ang minuto. So guys, nilagyan ko rin siya ng penne pasta, which is also from La Filipina. Ito siya. Kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang maging creative. So yan, so it's a combination of both. So let's eat it. Hop. Ayun. So, dapat hindi overwhelming yung aligue kasi maraming
nahihirapan na sa lasa or masyadong overwhelming. Kaya, nandun yung lemon.
Chili powder.
And, and yung lemon tsaka yung cream para to balance it out. Okay? So you should try this recipe and enjoy your pasta. Bye! Like and subscribe.